Your lesson essential question is how can you write an equation to show and solve a word problem? So we'll be writing equations today to show word problems and to solve word problems. So we'll be representing these problems in a few different ways. Remember, a word problem is kind of like a story that uses numbers, and you need to figure out an answer to an addition or subtraction problem that has to do with the story. So, Robert has 27 toy robots. He buys some more. Now he has 58 toy robots. How many robots did Robert buy? I've represented the 27 here that he already has. We have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. We know he starts with 27. He buys some more. Do we know how many more? We don't. Now he has 58 toy robots. How many robots did Robert buy? So what is this problem asking us to find? All right, it's asking us to find how many he bought. So we're trying to figure out how many more. And you can see I underlined some more, showing that we're adding some more. So we're using addition. We don't know how many he bought. How many does he have in the end? So Robert has 58 robots in the end. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then 58. So he starts with 27. We don't know how many he's adding when he goes to the store and buys some more, but we know that he ends with 58. So our equation is 27 plus blank equals 58. Let's try to solve this. You can represent this problem using a bar model. So we know that our total altogether is 58. We know one of our add-ins is 27. This is what he starts with. We don't know how many he adds. Now we know that when we use a bar model, we can switch the numbers around. We can use addition or subtraction to find any of the missing numbers. So let's start with addition. I'm going to start by adding up to get to 58. So let's add tens because 10 is easy. 27, we're adding 10, so we know the ones place stays the same. 27 plus 10 is 37. 37 plus 10 is 47. 47 plus 10 is 57. Now I know that I need to stop at 58. If I add 10 more, I'm going to go over 58. How many more do I need to add to 57 to get 58? I just need to add 1. So 57 plus 1 is 58. All right, now that I've added up, I need to figure out how many I've added. So I'm adding my 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 1. So 10, 20, 30, 30 plus 1 is 31. So 27 plus blank, our blank is 31. 27 plus 31 is 58. Let's try subtraction. Now I know that it's a little bit difficult to do 58 minus 27, but I can break this 27 up into easier numbers. Let's break it into tens and ones. So 58 minus 20 and 58 minus 7. So let's start with 58. Let's take away our tens first. 58, we're counting backwards 2 tens. So 58 minus 20. 58 minus 10 is 48, minus another 10 is 38. Now we need to take away our ones. So 38 minus our 7 over here is 31. So again, I used addition to find the answer. I used subtraction to find the answer. Both ways, I got 31 as my answer. So my second addend is 31. Let's go back and complete our bar model. Now it's time for you to practice.